So yes, as you can see, the Realme 13 series 5G has been launched in India, and we are here to witness the launch and obviously tell you and give you the first look of both the phones that are launched. The Realme 13 series, which includes Realme 13 smartphone and Realme 13 Plus. So you can see this is the 13 Plus and this is the 13. They've been launched in 2 colors each, and I'm going to tell you the details about both the phones. Realme has unveiled the latest addition to its lineup in India, the Realme 13 5G series. The new series include 2 models, the Realme 13 5G and 13 Plus. And if you talk about the pricing, yes, they have been very competitively priced. Well, if you talk about the specification of the Realme 13 5G, it comes with 6.72 inches LCD display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. And the camera, well, the device features circular camera module housing a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. For selfies, you have 16 megapixel front camera. Also under the hood, Realme 13 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor and runs on Realme UI based on Android 14. We talk about the battery. It comes with 5000 mAh of battery with 45 watts of fast charging. The Realme 13 is available in 2 colors, the dark purple and the speed green. And yes, it offers 18 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage. Talking about the specification of the Realme 13 Plus 5G, on the other hand, comes with 6.67 inches AMOLED display and features a 120 Hz refresh rate. While its design mirrors that of the base variant, including a circular camera module at the back and a marble-like texture on the lower half of the back panel. It introduces a new color option which is called the Victory Gold, in addition to the one which is dark purple and speed green. The device carries a similar camera setup as Realme 13 5G, which is 50 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor and a 16 megapixel front camera. We're talking about the processor. Well, it comes powered with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset and operates on Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. It also comes with 5000 mAh of battery and offers 80 watts of charging, which is far more than the Realme 13. The Realme 13 5G is equipped with the 26 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, making it a powerful contender in the segment. Yes, this also comes as a good handy gaming smartphone, and a good news for gamers that this runs a smooth gaming as well. So besides the phones, they also have launched the Realme Buds T01, and these are priced at rupees 1299. Yes, and these come in 2 colors. You can see one is the black and one is the white. Both are in matte, and when you open them, they have a little glossy tinge inside, and the earbuds also are matte in the black and glossy in the white. So we're going to be telling you details about these buds too. So here you go. Yes, like we told you, these Realme Buds T01 are available in black and white options, as you can see, and you can buy it from the company website, Amazon India and Flipkart. Talking about the specification, the Realme Buds T01 has 13 mm of dynamic drivers and a PET diaphragms. They have touch controls, and this allows users to answer reject the calls or control volume and adjust playlist with double tap, triple tap or a long press on the earbuds. They offer AI-based environmental noise cancellation, which is ENC, to identify human noises and eliminate unnecessary background noises. Realme claims that new earbuds deliver a latency rate as low as 85 milliseconds. Also, the Buds T01 can be paired with both Android and iOS devices via the Realme Link app. The users can enhance volume enhancer option from the app and increase the volume intensity from 97 dB to 102 dB. These are IPX5 rated and come with Bluetooth 5.0. So that was about the Realme Buds T01. We told you all the details, and yes, now coming on to the price of the smartphones, the Realme 13 is priced at rupees 17,909, and that's the starting price for it. And also the 13 Plus comes in 3 variants, and the price for the base variant starts from 22,999 onwards.